A lot of people are experimenting with using an air fryer to bake potatoes and sweet potatoes. So today I would like to talk about sweet potatoes. They are delicious baked in an oven, just baked. The air fryer speeds up the process. So I'll show you how quickly you can come to the table quick in your time. It takes 30 to 45 minutes in the air fryer, but the prep time is minimal. I have two small sweet potatoes, and they're about 50 cents each in today's market. You never know what the price will be in the future.
Maybe tomorrow would be $1.
I'll show you our brother's trick for scrubbing potatoes and yams. Use a brand new scrubber that doesn't have soap on it. Most of them do not. And then you just give it a good quick scrub, and there is nothing that shouldn't be on that potato. So 1, 2, 3. The other thing you have to do is to prick it so it doesn't explode. And it doesn't have to be as many times as you would prick a baking potato, but I mean a white potato, whatever color potato you do. But yams need just a little help. Okay, we don't even have to dry these off or oil them. I'm now going to place them right in the air fryer from 30 to 45 minutes. I think these are small enough that we'll have them in a half an hour. But you can't really count that time because that's not your time doing anything else. You can prepare the rest of dinner and have these yams as a very easy side dish.
I have a question. Do you need to cut the end off at all on a sweet potato?
I don't, because I don't like the juices to ooze out. I cut that off after it's cooked.
Okay.
And you just slit it open, squeeze it, it'll pop open fluffy. We'll demonstrate this. And then you put a little butter and salt, pepper on it. There's really nothing else you need on a sweet potato. They are delicious.
The cinnamon butter Joanne just made.
If you like sweet
you want
potatoes,
sweet,
Yeah, put cinnamon butter.
then the cinnamon, well, let's try that when we sample these.
Yeah.
Let's try that. I'm a butter and salt person on potatoes. But look at how gourmet you're getting with just a few steps. So we'll put these in the air fryer and we'll come back when they're done. So my air fryer has been preheated at 400 for 5 minutes. I dropped the prepared potatoes in and I set it for 35 minutes. I'll probably check it sooner because they are narrow, and so I think they're going to cook quickly. Our yams are out of the air fryer. We've put butter on them, split them open, and we'll put a little salt on it. And then, because we're sampling, we're not sitting down at the table, just take a little bit and see what you think about air fried quick. And these were ready in 35 minutes. They're still hot.
Yeah.
Did that one. I'll go for this one.
Ready?
That is good.
Very good.
This is a very quick, nutritious, inexpensive side dish. Remember, yams in the air fryer.